What's going on, pro cutters? We're going to do a real-time unboxing here of the Weber Smokey Joe, and hopefully I can do it quicker than this battery wants to die on me on the GoPro here. Also, let me see if I got it in screen. Okay. Now, I'm probably not going to be in screen here. My head's probably going to get cut off, but that's fine. Like I said, we're going to do a real-time unboxing and assembly. It shouldn't take that long. Hopefully the battery lasts. It's just a few parts. May not even need these tools. Okay. So first things first is the legs. Now, let's see. Okay. Got it. Got that sorted out. Now, open up your little hardware pack. Put your 3 leg bolts in, or screws rather. And then the 90-degree bend is the one that's going to go onto there. And then you've got regular washers and lock washers. So take a regular, take a lock washer, take a wing nut, that goes on there. A little bit of a pain in the ass, but not that big of a deal. Alright, we got that just hand tight. Hopefully this is all on camera. If not, it'll be a pretty stupid video. That one's hand started. Come on, you mutt. Get that one on there. Regular washer, lock washer, wing nut. That one's started. And then take lay this upside down. We get our little ashtray. Put that in there. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, and a regular washer, and a lock washer, and the wing nut. Go ahead and tighten that down a little. Flip this over, tighten up our other 3. Go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver so I can get these leg ones good and tight. One more. I'm racing the GoPro battery here. That one's done. You've got the bottom grill. That's where your coals go. You've got your top grill. That's where your food goes. You've got your lid. And the last piece of the puzzle. Alright, so the GoPro battery died, no surprise there. The last piece of the puzzle is this boho little plastic handle. That goes on there like that, and honestly, I dropped this screw on the ground. I don't know how the hell you're supposed to put those in. That makes a hell of a lot more sense. For a second, I thought that screw went in from the bottom, and I was like, how the hell are you going to get it in from the bottom of the handle? Not everybody has a right angle screwdriver, and I'd have had to go up to the damn garage. So there you go. Tighten this screw down. And that's all there is to it. Voila. If I could get you to take a minute, not even, just a couple of seconds, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and share this video and all my videos with your friends and family members. Have a great day.